All right, good, wonderful Sunday afternoon to you. Thanks for hopping on here. I'm Mike, and this is a live winter weather update. We're going to be discussing Sunday. Good, wonderful Sunday. Okay, the audio is actually sounding good. We're doing well here in the home base studio. We got a lot to talk about, that's for certain. And appreciate you logging in on here right now. Just give a second and we'll get going here. We do have a lot to discuss on the potential for a major winter storm by midweek. A lot of the data is coming together. It's pretty uniform. Thank you for commenting and thank you for liking this live video. That does mean a lot. I am taking my day off to update you, just as I'm committed to keep you all updated 7 days a week, 365 days a year as weather is needed. So thank you for liking this live video. Hey, Mike, good to hear from you. A lot of people chiming in here. And so what we're doing is we are going to discuss the winter weather update. What you're looking at behind me is this is Thursday. Well, let's say Wednesday at 7 p.m. Okay. I am skipping ahead to Wednesday at 7 o'clock. I do want to emphasize, though, a couple of things. This could begin as early as late Tuesday night, Wednesday morning. The first round. The second round, the heavier round, would come in later Wednesday afternoon to Wednesday night, Thursday morning. And there's the potential for some snow showers into Friday as well. I'm not going to get right now too much into early Wednesday morning. I'm just going to stick to Thursday night or Wednesday night and Thursday morning because that is the worst of it. That is the most impactful part of the storm system, the way it appears now. All right, so one thing I want to emphasize that we're 24, 48, about 72, 84 hours out from the main storm. Things are going to change a little bit. And I already see the potential for some error here. I think we're all going to see winter weather. I don't think that's going to be the issue. It's going to be how much ice accumulates, how much snow accumulates, and then how much sleet mixes in. Because sleet could just really hamper snowfall totals. So we're going to be able to fine tune that as we get closer. But that's why I went ahead and said, hey, get the supplies ready. I know I am. It's going to be a long week of work, but that's what we're here for. So let's get to it. So this is 7 o'clock on Wednesday evening. I'm going to advance to midnight. So what you see, the purple, and let me clarify the colors here. The purple is a sleet snow mix. The orange reddish color, that's freezing rain. Green is rain. Blue is all snow. Got it? So I'll say it again once we go to this next graphic. This is midnight. This is now Thursday morning at midnight, 12:01 a.m. Thursday morning. And the heavier snow band, heavy freezing rain band, sleet band in the metro down to the southeast. Right now, this model is depicting more of a heavy sleet, mixed with snow, mixed with some freezing rain. And so this is really just where we're going to get in the details as we get a little closer. I'm just showing this to you, kind of give you a heads up, and we'll fine tune this as we get closer. I want to emphasize, I know a lot of folks want to go, well, what about Shakota? What about Okmulgee? Hey, we're still a couple of days away, and through the week on 2 News Oklahoma, when I'm there at 5, 6, and 10, and when our morning show's there, we're going to be walking you through this step by step, and of course on our social media platforms, on Instagram at Mike Collier WX, Facebook as well, and of course you can follow me on TikTok as well at TV Mike Collier, and I will update you. So this computer model is showing a freezing rain total where it shows the heaviest freezing rain just south of Tulsa. And this is early indication. This is very early. This could shift a little north, a little further south. We're already seeing that different computer models indicating different outcomes with this. One computer model is keeping the heavy snow to the north because it's giving us all sleet in the metro. And that's the NAM. That's kind of the higher resolution computer model right now. Keeps the heavier snow to the north, keeps us all in sleet. One computer model, this is the Euro, I believe, puts the heavy snow band right along I-44. This isn't even the snowfall totals. This is just, again, I'm only keeping this from Wednesday afternoon to Thursday morning. Uh, Whatever we get Wednesday morning would be added on top of this, and whatever we get during the mid-morning hours Thursday would be added on top of this as well. The other big issue is the wind gust. That actually reaches close to blizzard criteria. But again, we're going to have to see, are we seeing sleet? Are we seeing snow? Is it blowing snow? There is a potential that very well we could see a blizzard in parts of Oklahoma and Kansas. And where that lies right now is still to be determined. But these are forecasts. Someone said, "Oh, these are all guesses." Anyway, no, they're actually not. I mean, you wouldn't want a doctor guessing on where to operate you on. It takes education, and you really got to verify that, because a lot of people on Facebook now just throw stuff out. Again, anybody can throw medical advice out. Anybody can throw weather advice, but you got to stick with people that you trust and you depend on. And I appreciate you always logging in here and liking these live videos, because that means that you've chosen me. So that means it's very, very awesome. And I do not forget that. These are the wind chills, single-digit wind chills by late Wednesday night. So travel by Wednesday night is going to be treacherous, hazardous. I mean, wind chills all the way to the northwest, well below zero, as that colder air begins to push to the east. So again, this is the heavy onset Wednesday after 7 o'clock. Big event on the way. And I appreciate you commenting. And thank you, Susan. Thank you for the kind words. It does mean a lot. So let me recap real quick. The freezing precip, and I say freezing because it could be sleet, snow, freezing rain, likely to begin Tuesday night late, mainly Wednesday morning, first round. Second round, Wednesday afternoon to Thursday midday. And then we could see some snow showers into Friday as the upper level system kicks on out. Emmanuel, thank you for commenting. Thank you for commenting on this live video, as I am streaming not only on my page, but on the 2 News Oklahoma page. So however you've joined in, I appreciate you liking it as well. All right, so I'm going to keep you updated. Again, I'll have updates, special updates tomorrow morning, during the afternoon, and tomorrow night. Basically about every 6 hours starting tomorrow morning, I'll keep you updated as best I can. We'll look at the data together. Someone said, is this the storm of the century? I wouldn't go that far yet. You never know until we get a little closer and see how it pans out. But thank you all so much for commenting. I appreciate it. Get ready for the bitter cold. Couple of days maybe stuck inside for parts of our viewing area. And we'll be watching that very closely for you. You're welcome, Nan. Thanks for the comment. Everybody else, have a great one. Stay safe. God bless. And I'll be back here tomorrow morning with a weather update, if I can talk by then. All right. Have a good one.